Hey guys, Chuck and Glenn here from the Lighting Lab, and today we're going to talk about one of my favorite things is Lutron Caseta. I know everybody says everything we talk about we like a lot. Well, guys, we don't keep it here if we don't like it. We get a lot of manufacturers bring a lot of samples, bring a lot of stuff here. No free samples, but yeah, if we don't like it, we don't use it. We don't stock it.
If it doesn't last, we don't use it.
Yeah, if we have a problem with something, we get rid of it quick before you guys have to suffer through. So, of course, we like this stuff. And let me tell you, it took some convincing. I was like, nah, I don't want to fool with that. I got one piece at my house, and then I said, oh my God, this is so cool.
Right.
And almost my whole house is automated now. It's not only is it addictive, it is hugely convenient. And so anyway, the long story short is we have it, plenty of it on the shelf. Lutron Caseta wireless, and it'll cover. Let me tell you, I'm shooting some of this stuff. Now they don't recommend it, but I'm shooting it over 300 feet, single, no problem.
That may not be typical results, but it can be done.
Listen, if it's a 3,500 square foot house or less, buddy, you got it made. It is honestly monkey easy to install. Now the first time you're going to be, oh my God, but we can talk you through it. I'm getting better and better at it. Glenn's pretty good at it, and we've got experts.
But the cool stuff, like you said, it's almost addictive, is everybody sees the commercials now about smart home integration and whatnot, people controlling their thermostats and fans and blinds and everything else. Lutron has capability to interact with these home systems like Alexa and even your phone. You can tell your phone what to do, and it communicates with Lutron, and you can control your house through your phone from anywhere. From anywhere. If your wife leaves or husband leaves, lights on, you can shut them off from almost anywhere. So it is super cool, modern technology.
I have it on my cell phone, my iPad, on the computer. We have Alexa, so I can say, Alexa, turn off kitchen, and I know some little tricks about how to set that up so she responds quicker and easier. Here's the key: give us a call, and I'm telling you guys, get at least one of these kits. Now, this is what I consider the most simple kit because it has, Brian, if you're getting a close-up, it has the bridge, the smart bridge, which is a communication device. It hooks into your internet, you power it up, and it allows all these pieces to talk and talk to Alexa or Nest or any of those home automation companies. And this is what they call a dimming module. It's a lamp dimmer. Actually, we got one in a transformer here, and it'll shoot the length of this building, the signal will, and we control the transformer with this thing. And guys, it does everything. It does astronomical timing. It does on and offs as many as you want, and it also does geofencing, which means that when you come home with your cell phone in your pocket, it turns the lights on.
It knows you're home.
If you want to, you can. It's just total control. It's so much fun. So this is one kit. Then we've got another kit, and by the way, the way to buy it is in kits because it's a lot less expensive. We're competitive with any source of this supply: Home Depot, Lowe's, Amazon. We're competitive.
Amazon. Yeah.
This is a cool kit because again, it has the bridge, and it has a dimmer, a real dimmer, and a Pico remote. And if you don't know, call us. I don't want to spend too much time about how that all works and the convenience of those little Picos. Unbelievable. But so this is a cool thing, and this actually gives you the dimming capability. Go ahead.
Well, I don't want to be too long with this. You know, I'd love to have them call us and ask what we can do for them or help them walk them through. What do you think?
Well,
I mean, we got so many different items to cover them all. I know you want to cover them all, and the switches and dimmers and lamp dimmers and.
Yeah, I want to talk about all of it. Let me just say this: Glenn's right. It's almost too much of it, but don't be scared of this thing.
No.
It's a money maker too. Get one of these kits, put it in your house, and try it. Play with it. Get real familiar with it, and then advance yourself because right now it's wintertime. Nobody wants to work outside. We have got guys that are putting these in. They're putting in a switch and just hooking it up. Once you do a couple, you find out, gosh, it's really simple. Right. It's hard to hook it up wrong, and they're making money. I mean, they're charging a couple $100 a switch or a dimmer or whatever you want. I mean, they're charging, and people are not going to do it no matter how easy it is because when you take the cover off a receptacle or a switch plate, all those wires. It's intimidating. But
Scary.
you guys can do this. You can do it. You can replace switches without a license. We've got also. They even make a, and I've got a bunch of these now. I love this thing. This is a motion sensor basically for a switch, like in a bathroom or something. Nobody wants to turn off the switches, and
Right.
so that's really cool too. That's it.
We want them to try it.
Okay.
I'm going to throw out 10% off everything Lutron we have in stock
The slasher.
through the end of the month. Whether you buy one piece or you buy enough to do 10 houses, 10% off all Lutron in stock through the end of the month.
That's a huge discount, guys. That's a good discount.
We want them to
'cause
learn.
We're
Try
already
it.
we're already real competitive.
Yeah,
All right, you know what to do. Call us. I'm telling you guys, give for your own self. If you don't put another one in, you'll enjoy the heck out of one
Put it
of
in your
these
own home.
systems. Yeah, you really will.
Right.
All right, we're good. Thank you
Yes.
guys.
Thank you.